Stop wasting money on electricity bills because one of these two kitchen appliances is quietly costing you more every single month. Air fryer or microwave? Most people think they already know the answer, but the real results for 2026 might surprise you. Today I'll show you which one is cheaper to run, which one cooks faster, and which one actually saves you money in the long term. Let's start. 1. Power consumption basics. First, let's talk about electricity usage. A typical microwave uses around 800 to 1200 watts. An air fryer usually consumes between 1400 to 2000 watts. At first glance, the microwave looks cheaper because it uses less power. But power alone doesn't decide your bill. What really matters is how long the appliance runs. And this is where things get interesting. 2. Cooking time difference. Microwaves heat food very fast. Reheating leftovers? 2 to 3 minutes. Warming soup? Less than 2 minutes. Air fryers take longer. Cooking fries, chicken, or frozen food can easily take 10 to 18 minutes. So even though the air fryer is more powerful, it also stays on much longer. This makes the total energy usage higher for many daily meals. 3. Real cost example. Let's use a simple example. In Europe, average electricity price in 2026 is around 30 cents per kilowatt hour. Now let's calculate. Microwave, 1000 watts for 5 minutes. Costs roughly 2.5 cents. Air fryer, 1700 watts for 15 minutes. Costs around 12 to 14 cents. That's almost 5 times more expensive per use. Use it daily and the difference becomes clear. Monthly cost difference can reach €5 to €10 or more, depending on usage. Section 4. Hidden costs people ignore. Here's something nobody talks about. Air fryers heat the entire cooking chamber. Microwaves heat only the food. That means more wasted energy with air fryers. Also, air fryer fans and heating elements wear out faster when used daily. Microwaves usually last longer and need fewer repairs, so maintenance cost is also lower. 5. When air fryers actually better. Now, don't get me wrong. Air fryers are better for crispy food, baking small portions, oil-free frying, and healthier cooking. If you replace your oven with an air fryer, then yes, you save electricity. But compared to a microwave alone, the microwave still wins. For pure energy efficiency, final verdict. So what's the final answer? For reheating and quick meals, microwave is cheaper and faster. For cooking crispy food and small baking, air fryer is better, but costs more to run. The smartest choice? Use both correctly. Microwave for heating, air fryer for cooking. That's how you save money in 2026. If this video helped you save electricity and money, hit the like button. Subscribe for more smart appliance tips. And comment below. Do you use an air fryer or microwave more in your home? Thanks for watching.